Good morning, friends. It's Trainer Tip Tuesday, and today my tip for you guys is going to be going over a proper push-up form and how important it is, so that way you're getting the most benefit from the exercise, right? So the first thing that we're going to do is making sure that as we set up, and I'm going to show you a few options too, that our hands are just outside of our shoulders. We don't want them too narrow, otherwise it gives us, we're gonna scrunch our traps, first of all, and we're not gonna be able to go down all the way, so just outside the shoulders. And your fingertips, if you have trouble with your wrist, you can actually turn your hands out just slightly if your wrists bother you. Another thing is, as we set up in this position, we wanna make sure that our shoulders, our hips, knees, ankles, that are all in the same line. So we wanna keep what we call like a hollow position. And then, so to set up, I'm going to show you guys. So hands just outside of the shoulders, and feet are not going to be together. They're going to be a good foot apart. And again, hands, you can slightly turn out those fingers. As we lower down, we want to make sure that we're not lowering down like this and teeing out. See, this creates a T. We want to go back to where our hands are at a 45-degree angle, and we actually want to make sure that our chest is making contact with the floor, okay? That's a full range motion push-up. So, trying to get some more room here. Let me back this up a little bit. Thanks for being patient. So, and I'll show you the difference. If I'm teeing out my arms, that means my elbows are gonna go towards this way, right? To the right and left of me, which looks like this, okay? You're really gonna injure your shoulder doing push-ups like that. So, but people try to find the strength wherever they can to try to get the movement done, when that's not what we need to be doing. We need to scale down using the proper form, and then once we get strong enough, then we can try to amp it up by going on our toes, or if you're on a box, you go to your knees, and so on and so forth, okay? So as we go down, I'm gonna show you what a proper one looks like. I'm going to a 45-degree angle, okay? My body stays hollow, pulling my belly button in. I'm gonna go down in one line. My elbows are gonna go back, I'm gonna tap the ground, and then I'm gonna press all the way up. Now, if that's too hard, again, we just go knees down. We wanna make sure, again, we're pulling in our belly button, and so that we're not poking out our butt trying to go down, or we're not sagging our hips and putting a lot of pressure in our back. So from here, same thing, we're gonna go all the way down, tap the ground, and press. If any of those are too difficult, you can of course use the wall. I've shown that in a previous video. But the most important thing about a push-up, you guys, is that to do it effectively, you want the full range of motion, which means your chest needs to make contact with the floor while keeping a hollow body position, okay? Remember, of course, using your breath. So we wanna exhale when we're exerting all that effort to try to move through our breath. So happy Trainer Tip Tuesday. I hope this helps you with your push-up form in the future. If you need anything else, or if you want to send a video to have a trainer check your push-up form, we would love to help you do that. Okay, have a great day, you guys.